Ooh, a thing.
What? Is that a condom?
Yep.
That really is a condom.
Yep.
Yeah, sure, take it with you. What does it say? Can you...
Lubricant something something.
No. Can you see what Katie has to say about the condom? There's nothing I don't hate right now. Alright. Why are all the video recorders gone? Oh wait, Sam took them all. Why did she take them though?
Ooh, maybe that's the missing stuff.
Yeah.
I thought I saw someone right there.
What?
The missing stuff. But why would she need that many tape recorders? And why are we not supposed to go in the attic? It's a dark room.
Yeah, it's Sam's dark room.
With all her dog secrets.
Oh my god. Those are really creepy.
Do you think this is mom or dad's side of the bed?
I think it's mom's side of the bed because there's tissues.
Did I finally do a good? I finally did a good. Look at that. Look at this. I cannot interact with this.
Then why? Oh my god. Oh, there's
It's
a letter.
just aesthetics.
Why did you close it?
I want to check this first.
There's something under the bed.
Something over there.
Drop it like top.
Something there. Alright.
Leaves of Grass. Collection of poems was first released in this form in 1892, but not before it was banned on grounds of obscenity. He died only 2 months after its release on March 26th, 1892. I wasn't done reading.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, so this got banned because it's obscene?
Yeah. I guess her parents were having trouble with Sam because she was having trouble with herself. It's like having trouble figuring out who she was.
Yeah, take your time. I'm glad to have it in good hands, Rick.
So this is Rick's book.
If that's mom's side of the bed, and she got a book from a guy named Rick, something
then that
fishy.
means she has a good friend.
Okay, but she hid it under the bed. Not really good because we found it, but
They're also close under the bed.
something's fishy. This room looks even worse than my room used to.
Yeah, well, I guess Sam's been rummaging through it.
Why would she?
Cause she's
Look, that's mom's side of the closet.
I think so too. I think you're right. I mean, maybe she was looking for something. Thank you.
All right. What's in the closet?
It's nothing better than underwear to make you laugh.
I like how this one has the static standby screen, but the one in Sam's room really is a rainbow.
This is a good way to write characters, cause you know what kind of movies they watch, and what kind of shows, and just know everything about them.
Yeah. Oh, it's just underwear.
It's underwear.
But you were trying to say something.
Yes, I think it's cool. The light was already on.
Yeah. Because Sam's been here.
Oh. Yeah. Because she leaves the lights on everywhere.
Yeah.
That's continuity.
Yeah. I keep saying yeah. It's a new song.
Yeah.
What's the back say?
Hello. What if it just said, look behind you?
I would use that book as a weapon.
What? It doesn't work because I'm so slow. Oh.
Whoa! Maybe Mom made all the paintings in the house.
That would be so cool. Maybe she made this one.
No, that's you.
And a door. Hello.
They have a private bathroom?
Some people in mansions do. Cupboard. Hey.
That's...
Quick fix.
How many bandages do they have?
A lot.
There's just one toothbrush? Oh no, there's the second one. You're gonna leave all the lights on and all the water tabs open.
I wanna get some water. Shit.
So close.
Not one of my best jokes.
You can't open them.
I'm sure I have.
No.
I can open them if I want to. Just have to break the game.
Yeah.
Wanting to go.
Oh shit, there's a secret bathroom in the bathroom.
It's not a secret room. There was a pretty obvious door. Ugh.
After the honeymoon.
It said ugh.
Rediscovering your spouse. Personally, spiritually, and sexually. Yes, thank you.
Because that's what you want to read when you get back to your home. Reading about your parents.
Okay, but that means the parents had problems with their marriage.
Is that true?
Mom was hiding a book from Rick under the bed.
Well, Dad had one condom.
I don't know how to respond to that. Are you serious?
I could actually be proving your point.
Why?
So there's only one.
So? He used all the other ones.
Well, that's one possibility.
Or he just bought one? Can you buy one single condom?
Maybe he was just trying them on.
Trying
Just
them on?
Yeah, like testing.
Testing a condom. Alright.
Honey, do you think this is right?
I need
How does
to
it
practice first. Need to know how to do this.
So there's this whole story about Sam. And we linger on the condom.
Priorities, man.
It's important stuff.
Yeah. I don't like the sound of that. Read the note! Read the note!
Read the note!
Mom and Dad were going to make up the guest room for you to stay in over the summer, but you came home on such short notice that they weren't around to do it. You can use my room if you want. I won't be needing it anymore.
Okay, so Mom and Dad left for some reason, and Sam started to do stuff that involved
Lonnie.
missing stuff.
And Lonnie.
Oh.
I really believe that Mom made all those paintings.
That would be so cool.
Because they're all watercolor.
Hey,
Another note.
Newt.
Hey, Sam. Oh, wait, that's... Oh, that's
Hey,
Lonnie.
Sam. You're what my ribbons meant. Here is a handy guide. Orienteering? Orienting. Orienteering.
This means the army thinks I can find my way around.
So... Oh, it's Lonnie.
Yeah.
So that picture we saw, the
Was
pink-haired
that
girl,
was-
that was Lonnie.
Or it was Lonnie's jacket.
You think Sam was wearing the with the jacket.
Yeah, well, Sam obviously has a crush on Lonnie.
Then you tend to wear people's clothes, yes.
Yeah, obviously.
It's like a big hug.
Yeah. The rifle team. The army has branded me as a certified killing machine.
Adventure training.
I am a...
Let's go on an adventure.
I'm a born adventurous, and no borders can hold me. The army recognizes this. So if you didn't think I was cool...
Okay, I changed my mind. Lonnie's pretty cool.
So if you didn't think I was cool before, now you do.
Whoa. She got me. She read me like a book. I'm reading her like a video game.
Composition. Oh, ghost. Okay, cool. Okay. Ghost Hunter Journal. August 31st. Thank you. 1994.
Sorry.
A tall shadow in the upstairs hall. When I rounded the corner, no one was there. How tall was Uncle Oscar? Note, I was not wearing my glasses. September 3rd, 1994. A faint voice coming from the bottom of the stairs. I said hello. Did not investigate. Probably was the furnace. September 9, 1994. Poured milk from carton in fridge. It was spoiled. Pretty sure I read that spirits can sour milk. Milk was just bought yesterday.
So she was trying to film ghosts, and that's why she took all the recorders.
Oh, that's possible.
And maybe that's why she made a dark room, because she made pictures. She took pictures.
That's okay. Yeah. Lonnie says she feels a presence in the TV room. I suddenly begin to feel cold. We build a protective pillow for it. Oh. Lonnie and I employ a Ouija board as a medium. Disturbing messages are conveyed from the other side. Oscar is definitely here. Enlisted Lonnie to stay up all night and help patrol premises, recording any signs of otherworldly presence. Lonnie reported many sightings, but all remained unconfirmed. Possible ectoplasma in attic. Probably leaky roof. Probably due to leaky roof. Sample taken just in case. Despite our best efforts, we both fell asleep around 4 a.m. All in all, a successful night.
Oh, I'm glad she was having fun.
I would be scared shitless. I wouldn't be having fun.
Hey, she hasn't been in this room.
Katie, that's your stuff.
Yes, this is my room. Our parents were prepping this room for me to stay in.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Mom's painting room.
See, I called it. I know I said I played the game before, but I don't remember anything. So...
Have you played it all the way through?
Yeah, I finished it.
Hey, look at these.
Hey, another cassette.
Grab. I don't like the word grab.
Heavens to Betsy.
Betsy. Yes.
That's my nickname. Nothing can stop me. Can you... Do you want to play it?
I wanna.
Hey, a flower.
Let's painfully slowly walk back to Sam's room.
There's probably going to be someone in the comments like, you can run using the whatever.
Using the whatever. Alright, play. Oh, what? I changed my mind. Okay, now it's kind of okay.
I want to hear lyrics.
I can't hear what she's saying. Alright.
Bye.
Did you understand any of that?
Oh, of course, it was ta cha cha da pa cha cha. Look at that.
It's a lamp.
Yes.
There's a cassette player right here. Are you kidding me?
I will neither confirm nor deny that I knew that. Just never. Just never. I never.
Never?
All the tissues, like, you know,
Why is there so many tissues in this goddamn house?
Halloween show.
The
Ooh.
Misfits.
Oh,
They're
that's
awesome.
their band.
Oh, that's Lonnie. Don't forget your costume. See you there. It's a date. Oh boy.
Sometimes you just have to lie to Mom and Dad.
Do you?
Like when Lonnie asked me to see a band with her and stay over at her friend's place in the city after. That's a lie to Mom and Dad's situation.
Not really.
But it was so worth it. The girls on stage were just so loud.
She's gay.
Awesome. And everybody was moving together
said
like
loud.
one huge tide of sound.
Yeah, but did you hear
Between
how
two
she
songs,
said it?
Lonnie leaned
Yes.
over and said, "How do you like your
Said it.
first show?" I was so happy. I felt tears starting in my eyes. And then she up and hugged me.
Oh,
That's gay,
I
girl.
think she could tell.
Tell what? Tell what?
like you don't know already.
Confess to me your sins, child.
That's not a sin.
According to the Bible, it is.
Well, it's just love.
Yeah, love is love. Love is love
Even
is
if
love
it's a
is
bad
love is love
romance.
is love is love. That's not love. That's a song by Lady Gaga.
Ooh, it's a performance evaluate. Ooh,
So
that's
she's
very good.
good. Janice Greenbrier, that's for Mom.
Name Richard Patter.
Wait, what's this? Ranger Patter match has been indispensable during the course of the prescribed burn preparation and execution. I believe his expertise and dedication has been the deciding factor in the success of a very complex and challenging conservation effort.
So all the nature stuff was Mom's thing.
I guess. And
Do you think Richard is Rick?
yeah. Oh, so she is the forest staff that gives Rick his promotion or something.
I guess so.
She wants the D. Obviously.
Why does it always have to be about D's with you?
I don't have a comeback. We should get some food.
Some fiddles?
Some fiddles.
Fidoodles?
Foodles, feddles.
I want to
Fidneddles.
open this door first. Or wait, let's end it right here.